Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chelegance video. Today we are going to walk you through the full installation of the U5V3 portable dual band antenna. This guide will help you assemble the antenna step by step, ensuring correct installation for best performance and stability. Step 1. Assemble the main boom. First, start by assembling the main boom. Take the two boom sections and connect them together firmly. Make sure the boom is fully aligned, straight, and securely fixed before moving to the next step. A solid boom assembled is essential for accurate element positioning later. Step 2. Install the antenna elements. Next, we'll install the antenna elements. Each element is clearly marked with an identification number, and the boom also has matching number positions. This is a number-to-number matching installation, so take your time to ensure accuracy. For the VHF section, install all 6 VHF elements according to their numbered position along the boom. Once positioned correctly, tighten each element to ensure it does not move. For the UHF section, install the 5 UHF elements in their corresponding numbered locations. Important note: all UHF elements must be installed from the side without the nut and pushed completely through the mounting hole before tightening. Reversing the direction may affect spacing and overall electrical performance. After installation, double-check that all elements are straight, centered, even-spaced, and firmly secured. Step 3. Install the support rods. Now we'll install the two short support rods included in the hardware side, and you'll find one shorter rod and one longer rod. Start with the short rod. Attach it to the right side of the number 5 position on the boom. Use the element clamp to secure it together with the number 5 VHF element. Install the long rod. Attach it to the left side of the number 6 position. Secure it using the clamp together with the number 6 VHF element. Step 4. Adjust element spacing. Each antenna has unique manufacturing tolerance. Use the recommended measurements from your package's production test record as a starting point. For best results, you can also use an antenna analyzer to fine-tune the clamp position based on your operating environment. Step 5. Mounting options and accessories. This antenna includes 3 and 6 threaded mounting points on the boom, giving you flexible installation operations. Handheld operation. Install the two 17mm phone holder into the low M6 mounting points. This helps balance the antenna. Pole mounting. Use the included clamp to attach the antenna to a mast or a pole between 15 to 40 mm in diameter. Install the clamp at either between below number 7 position or below number 8 position. Make sure everything is tightened securely before use. Step 6. Final inspection. Confirm that all elements are installed in the correct numbered positions. Make sure that all mounting hardware and support rods are firmly secured. And that completes the full installation of your dual band Yagi antenna. Thanks for watching and enjoy your operation. Step 3.